Edinburgh Tram's mediation. This presentation is to demonstrate why Project Phoenix does not include the Haymarket to Lothian Road section because of the impossibility of giving a fixed price and programme due to the quantity of buried services conflicting with the 1.2 metre deep utility-free zone. The construction is made up of several layers. On the top layer are the footpaths, curbs, rails, and road surfacing. The roads and footpaths are laid on sub-base. The tramway comprises of a 404 mm track form. The track form is supported by a 250 mm thick reinforced concrete slab. This is seated on a 50 mm layer of blinding concrete. The blinding concrete is placed on a 150 mm layer of Type 1 subbase. Two new duct banks run parallel to the track. To enable the construction, a 1.2 metre deep exclusion zone is required that must be free of all utilities. This is a three-dimensional model of the tramway between Haymarket and Lothian Road. The 368 utilities that conflict with the exclusion zone are shown on this 3D model. TIE has produced a schedule of known utility conflicts. A utility conflict is where a utility encroaches in the 1.2 metre deep exclusion zone, or where a utility runs so close to the foundations of another part of the construction, such as a curb or an overhead power line foundation, that action needs to be taken. In this section, TIE has identified 551 known conflicts, of which 368 are in conflict with the tramway exclusion zone. When a utility is encountered, there is a formal notification process that is followed, and work in the area is halted. Some utilities are no longer in use. These can be quickly dealt with. Other utilities, such as British Telecom or Virgin Media, can take 6 months or more to divert. Infraco is ready and able to carry out the works, but cannot give a fixed price or programme because of the uncertainty over the underground services.